PrintableScience.com presents a DaVinci 1.0 3D printer iPhone camera mount. The interesting feature of this camera mount is that it clips to the DaVinci print bed, allowing the camera to move down with the print bed. The iPhone mount also features an extendable slide, so that the iPhone can be moved into a position that provides the best capture for the object or objects being printed. The iPhone mount is composed of 5 printed pieces, and the STL files can be obtained from either Thingiverse.com or the PrintableScience.com website. The 5 pieces of the camera mount are the plate extender, the iPhone camera holder, and the 2 clips that are used to secure the plate to the DaVinci print bed. Once you have printed the 5 pieces, you can begin by securing the mount plate to the print bed. As you can see in the video, the mount plate has 2 holes that line up with the 2 posts on the platform underneath the print bed. The mount plate is easily secured by first inserting one of the front half rails of the mount plate behind the front leveling adjustment screw, and then shifting over the mounting plate and lining it up so that the posts on the platform line up with the holes in the mount plate. Once the mount plate is sitting on the posts, you can secure it in place with the 2 clips. You'll notice that the clips have a triangular profile at the bottom of the clip and a tapered profile at the top. The triangular profile slides into the diamond-shaped indentation on the DaVinci platform, while at the same time the tapered profile slides into the channel on the mount plate. Once the mount plate is secured, you can slide the extender into the plate. Finally, the iPhone mount can slide into the extender, and the iPhone itself can be set in the mount. You are now ready to shoot video of your object as they are being printed. For longer print jobs, you'll probably want to use an iPhone time-lapse app. Most of these apps also provide for static focusing, which creates a much better video, as the iPhone isn't focusing on what it happens to think is the most important part of the picture. It's also a good idea to make sure your iPhone is plugged into a power supply until your print is finished. We find the best results are with the iPhone's flash turned on, as the DaVinci's enclosure light source throws a shadow under the extruder, which is exactly where you want the most light. Finally, although the weight of the Printable Science camera mount and iPhone is not that great, it is still heavy enough to cause some deflection of the DaVinci print bed. So once your camera mount and iPhone are secured, you'll want to make sure that you level your print bed. Because you're only deflecting the front of the bed downward, if your print bed was level before you installed the camera mount, then the only adjustment you should need to make is to use the front adjustment screw to raise the front of the bed. The latest files and form for the iPhone camera mount are available on the PrintableScience.com website, where all the science that fits we print.